So this is my setup. This is where I sit. I'm using everything I've got is really old actually, because I'm quite old. Canon EOS 750D. I'm using a little Boya. This is a receiver into that's to give my vocal mic, which is over here. So that is I've just clipped that to my jumper. That's new actually. I've got this light, which you can see, very bright. And this is a lovely piece of kit. So this is a Rode NT1A. Hang on, there you are. Rode NT1A condenser mic. Absolutely fantastic piece of kit. I definitely bought one of those new, but you can get them secondhand quite at a very good price. And we've definitely got one secondhand because my wife's a singing teacher and my son teaches piano as well. So I think we bought another couple for recording purposes, and they're absolutely fantastic. I've got a mixer, which again is really old. I'm not sure that they make this anymore. This is a ZMX. It's made by the Alto company. ZMX 122FX. This is going out into a digital recorder. This is my iPad going in on 2 channels here. This connects up to this Alto speaker so that I can hear what I'm doing. And that is my connected to the Rode microphone. So that's my mixer, that's my speaker. And I use, again, it's so old and outdated. I'm just trying to edit a video, which takes, quite frankly, forever. This is a Roland, what's it called? R05. They definitely don't make these anymore because it's so old, but it's just fantastic. Really good digital recorder. So that is usually sitting over here, and everything that I play on the saxophone goes through the mixer with the iPad. My iPad normally sits on here like this, so I've got my various apps on there. Yeah, so I was just using that one, and so the vocal mic that I've got goes through into the camera, and the anything that I play on the sax goes through the mixer and is mixed with the backing track, and I just get a better quality sound that way. And I'm starting with this. That I'm going to do some shorts. This is an really old iPhone that I've got, and I'm going to be using one of these. It's called an iRig, and that means that I can just plug directly into there, but I'm not 100% sure how to use that yet because I'm not a super technical guy, believe it or not. And just so that you got the complete picture, I use iMovie, which is not very, in all honesty, not very sophisticated, but it's sophisticated enough for me. And this is what one of my videos looks like. So there I am doing my thing. I'm just making a blue scale video now. Wow, it's so hard. Editing is so hard. So there you go. That's my setup. I hope that's useful to you. And thank you very much for the question.